Hi everybody, this is Bev Gray from Technique Tuesday. Today I want to show you some ideas for how to use the Jam Jar Labels crafting dies. Now this is our Fresh Cut Studio stamp set this month, and it's really designed to work in a whole bunch of different ways with a whole bunch of different stamp sets. This particular layout uses two of the labels. It uses the largest one, and you can see here how it makes a nice little element on a scrapbook page. Here's the medium one, and then here's an example of how you might cut it apart in order to make two different little tab-looking embellishments on a layout. Now let me show you what it might look like on a card. For this card, we used just the smallest little label here. So it makes a really nice, sweet little label to go onto a more traditional card. Now this also works really fun on some more non-traditional projects too. Here's an example of the largest label used on just a funny little card that includes our Duck, Swan, Goose stamp set. And then here's one that goes along with our Funny Fruit stamp set, and showing you how the smallest little label might look on a project too. So that's a little bit of project ideas about using the Jam Jar crafting dies. Thanks so much for watching.